Here's a quick overview of how to use the shredder that is located in several of our facilities throughout the organization. The first thing you need to do before you start your job is verify that the bag at the back of the machine is not full. So you're going to open up the door, pull out the tray. If the bag is full, you're going to remove the rubber band, remove the bag, get a replacement bag, slip it over the frame, replace the rubber band, and push the tray back inside the machine and close the door. Now we're going to watch a quick video on how to do this.
Before you start your shredding job, make sure that you check the back to make sure that the bag is fairly empty. If it's full, you'll have to change the bag, and you can do that by removing the rubber band around and then replace the bag. This one's fairly empty, so we'll push it back in. And then make sure that this door is locked before you start your shredding job.
Now let's take a look at the control panel. We have the emergency stop button. At any point during the operation, if the machine needs to be stopped, just push that button. If you turn your machine on and nothing's happening, that button needs just to be pulled out. Then we have the on-off toggle switch. It needs to be in the on position for the machine to work. Then we have a key. That needs to be turned to the right. Once it's in the right position, the light turns on. Then we have a dual button, the reverse or bag is full. If at any point you need to reverse the machine, just hit the stop button and then hit the yellow button to reverse the conveyor belt. Or if the bag is full, the light will turn yellow and the machine will stop. Then you have the stop button and then the start button. Let's take a quick look at a video showing us how to use each of these buttons.
To start the shredding machine, you have to turn the key, turn the red button into the on position, and then pull the red button out. The green light will come on, and now you can proceed with your shredding job by pressing the black button. Button, push the red button in, turn the machine off, turn the key to off, and you are done.
Every time you replace a bag, you need to oil the machine. So you're going to give this bottle 4 pumps. If the reservoir is empty, you can refill it using the replacement oil that's at the machine. If you're not sure how to do that, someone in maintenance will be more than willing to help you. So that's how to use the shredder.